Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today is a super exciting video. I am unboxing my MacBook Pro for college. As many of you guys know, I'm going back to college in the fall, and I really needed to get a good computer that could handle blogging, YouTube, and college all in one. So the one that I got is the 13-inch MacBook Pro with the touch bar and 256 gigabytes of storage. And quick little disclaimer, I did pay for this all with my own money. I'm so proud of myself. I have saved up every bit of money that I have earned from blogging and doing Instagram collaborations, and finally I was able to purchase this just in time for fall semester next month. Now let's get to unboxing. Thought I was gonna need scissors, but they have a little tab on here now. Here we go. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. It's so thin. I'm like honestly shocked by how thin this is. We've got a little charging cable, and then here is the block that goes into the wall. This is a giant block compared to my current MacBook. Okay, so we are just setting it up. It feels so good and new. Here's the touch bar, which I'm like really excited about. My other computer obviously doesn't have the touch bar because this is a new feature in the United States, if anyone cares. Setting up my account right now, but I thought I'd show you guys kind of what it looks like. The Apple logo on the back no longer lights up, which I was kind of disappointed about. Okay, it looks like it's ready. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and set this up with like a cute little background, and I'll show you guys my accessories and everything in just a second. Okay, I just finished setting it up. I went ahead and put my Google Chrome on here, and I changed the background to this floral design, which actually matches my phone. And now I'm going to show you guys the laptop case that I use. So this is just a Lilly Pulitzer laptop case. I love the design of it, and it has like a gold zipper and plate right here. It's super padded, so it'll definitely keep the computer safe when it's in my backpack. And Apple had a back to school discount for college students where you got a free pair of Beats if you purchase a MacBook. So I also got a pair of black wireless Beats. I don't even know if I'm gonna end up keeping these because I have AirPods and I'm not huge on over-the-ear headphones, but these retail at $350, so if not, I'll definitely sell them because I can make a little bit of money back that I spent on the MacBook. I feel super ready to go back to college now. Thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing video, and if you're not already, be sure to click that subscribe button.